Okay, just want to look at compound interest working backwards. So the compound interest formula is A equals P, brackets 1 plus R to the power of N, and R is a percentage. So P is the principal, or the amount you put in, so P for put in. A is the amount that it grows to. So that's like the principal plus the interest combined. And R is the percentage interest rate. And so it could be per year, per month, per quarter, etc. And N is the number of times interest is paid. So let's just say you invest $700 and it grows to $1,200 in 4 years. Interest is compounded annually. Okay. So what we're after here is the percentage interest rate per annum. So A equals P, 1 plus R to the power of N. We have here A. So A is the amount that it grows to. It's the final amount. P is the 700. It's the amount you put in. 1 plus R, and N is for, did I say how many years? 4 years. So to the power of 4. So the aim here is to try and find that R. So in order to do that, we have to treat it like an equation. So I substitute, and then can you see, then I swap, and then we need to solve. So to solve, I divide by 700 on both sides. R to the 4, that gives you 12 over 7. Then to get rid of the 4, you fourth root the other side. So you've got 1 plus R to the 4 equals 12 over 7. 1 plus R is the fourth root of 12 on 7, because the opposite to a power of 4 is a fourth root. The button on your calculator looks like that you can use. And then to get rid of the 1, you subtract 1 on both sides. So you get 0.114, which if you times by 100 is 14.4%. Okay, so we're going to find the amount that we need to invest now. So we're after P, the amount that you put in, the principal. So that'll grow to $72,000 in 5 years at 6% per annum, interest compounded monthly. So that's what we're after the P. So the basic formula is A equals P, 1 plus R to the N. Now, A is what it will grow to, so that's your 72,000. R is your percentage interest rate, and N is your 5 years. Now, because this is monthly, the percentage interest rate needs to be divided by 12, and the 5 times by 12. So what this means is, in place of the A, we put 72,000. P, and there's a times there, 1 plus R, which is 6%, to the power of 5. Okay, so because it's compounded monthly, we times the 5 by 12, because it's paid 12 times every year, and the 6% needs to be divided by 12. You could figure that out and make it 0.5%, because 6 on 12 and make that 60. But you're able to just put it in the power button of your calculator and put it in the fraction button, and it'll work out. So substitute. That's 60. So you substitute. I've now swapped the sides, and now all I have to do is solve. So to enable me to solve, I want to get the P by itself. So all this stuff here has to go. So on this side, 72,000. So I have to divide by 1 plus 6% on 12 to the 60, divide by 1 plus 6% on 12 to the 60. Okay, so we've just got to figure that part out. So end up with P equals 53,378 and 80